The tech industry is evolving fast, and learning the right programming languages can unlock powerful career opportunities. Whether you're into AI, web development, or cloud computing, these top 5 languages are set to dominate in 2025. Let's dive in. First up, Python. The ultimate language for versatility. Whether you're building powerful AI models, diving into data science or machine learning, or automating repetitive tasks, Python has you covered. Its simple syntax and extensive library support make it perfect for beginners and experienced developers. With AI technologies booming in 2025, Python's demand will only keep growing, making it a must-learn for anyone looking to thrive in tech. Next is JavaScript, the backbone of web development. From building dynamic websites to creating mobile apps using React Native, JavaScript powers interactive user experiences. As web trends shift toward real-time applications and progressive web apps, mastering JavaScript will keep you ahead in the evolving digital world. For developers focused on performance and security, Rust is a must-learn in 2025. Known for its speed, memory safety, and reliability, Rust is ideal for system-level programming, game engines, and blockchain development. With tech giants like Microsoft and Google adopting Rust, demand for Rust developers is rising. Its ability to prevent common bugs makes it a top choice for building secure, high-performance applications. If you're eyeing a career in cloud computing or back-end systems, Go is a powerful language to master. Known for its speed, efficiency, and strong concurrency support, Go is widely used for building microservices, network tools, and scalable web applications. With platforms like Docker and Kubernetes built on Go, its role in cloud infrastructure will keep growing in 2025. Finally, don't overlook SQL. While it's not your typical programming language, SQL is crucial for managing and analyzing data. With businesses becoming increasingly data-driven, SQL skills are vital for roles in data analytics, business intelligence, and database management. Popular tools like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server make SQL an essential skill for working with structured data. So, which language are you planning to learn in 2025? Let me know in the comments. Stay ahead with the latest advancement in technology and innovation. Visit our website to learn more, and don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for our latest updates.